Reloading! Blast zone clear! Hit! Did that shoot?
We'll have some people in the creek so we can
Hey, how about we power line the creek?
Capture the flag because
Whoever fastest is run out, grab the flag, and then just run down the creek.
Well, like half team goes that way, half team goes in.
Are we ready?
Hold! Hold!
Not ready.
Not ready at all. My balls are still out.
I gotta pitch the
Certain jerk takes a while. So power line the creek.
Yeah.
Fastest one out, grab the flag. Good to go! Up!
Well, I'm not the fastest, so I'll see you guys.
State and go.
Saucy.
Somebody get the flag.
Go! Hit!
Flag cover!
Hey, we got fuckers on the right, yo! Get them, fools! Hey, get the riot shield. Let's take the ref hostage! Get the ref! Get the ref! Hey, you're a prisoner! Ref, you're with us.
Guys, let's put a line right here so that we can fight downhill, not uphill.
You're ours. What? You're not covered, you're hostage.
No, I'm not hostage.
Oh, that is so nice! That is so nice!
Hey, we got contact 12. I don't think they're in range though.
Hi, ladies. Hi.
Don't shoot next to my ear, Carl!
God damn it, Carl! Shut the fuck up, Carl!
He just fucking.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let's capture one of those.
I'm just saying, that wasn't very nice.
He
Hey,
just
shoot him in the dick first. Warning shot.
he just shot it just right next to my ear. I can't hear him. It's buzzing. It's buzzing, Billy.
Guys.
I have this thing like I should be paying attention right now.
I've got your back. Carson's space out. Oh, hey, we got cannon fodder right here. Look, go first. Hey, no, turn around. Look. Good for.
You just have to protect my titty.
Watch far right.
That's not nice!
Carson, use your grenade.
He doesn't have that range. I'll get him. Hey, Carson, how close is he? I see him. Oh, he's moving back.
Okay, this is awesome.
I'm a tank, fucker!
Where's your cannon?
It's in my pants.
Carson, move up slowly. Move up slowly. His is an actual shield though. There's a handle on it for him.
Oh, that sucks.
A little bit more.
My pants are falling down, and I got a wedgie.
Don't get your panties in a wad.
Oh, they're in a lot, all right. Just like where
My
I
pants
like it.
are too small for this booty.
Who's feeling ballsy?
Me?
Let's go.
I feel bad.
Hey Carson, are they within range of you?
Yeah, they'll clink his shield.
No, he moved back though.
Did he?
Yeah. Carson, move up a little bit. Start pushing them. Hey guys, does everybody see those guys right there, far right?
To the right.
Yeah.
All right.
He's moving
I see
back.
the
Push on
German
him.
guy.
Go. We're pushing on him. Go, Carson. Move up.
Oh, if you don't get shot, you're not having fun.
I want to blow my load, guys. Carson, keep moving up the trail. Keep your shield pointed on them, but move sideways. Hey! Oh, is he free? Okay, never mind. Carson, touch him.
8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Bro, come here, bro. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, 7,000.
Where exactly are they?
Right ahead. Hey, Patrick, move up. Take my spot, I'm gonna push forward.
Okay.
Or are you gonna man person?
I was gonna get to car tan in the man purse.
Cover fire?
It's up to you. Move left and get their attention. Man purse! Oh shit! Ah! Yeah. Hit! You're all dead. Hit! Medic! 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 Tanner! Come on. There you go.
Right.
Oh, my back.